This will look very familiar to some other folks. Good morning. Good morning.
Hi.
We just watched your video of getting the bus.
Oh.
It was so much fun. It was. So, yep.
Don't get tired of that.
Yeah, it was fun. It was bittersweet for them, I can tell.
Yeah. Laundry?
Yeah, we're gonna take our laundry down and do it when we get done here. So.
I mean, you got a washing machine in here, right?
Yeah.
Well, here we go.
Here we go. No.
All right, introduce yourself.
I'm John.
John?
This is our vintage 91 Marathon coach.
Yeah.
Katie's inside.
I love it. Private coach. Do you have a door? Oh wait, I need to ring the doorbell. Here we go.
You can't hear it out here, I don't know.
Ding dong.
Thank you, John.
Hey, come on.
Go garden.
All right.
Thank you.
No.
Look how nice.
Oh yeah.
It's so nice.
Ooh, I like that.
I love that. Wow, this is like a little home. I love it.
We just sprayed some air freshener.
Yeah.
I gotta say, maybe it's because it's 100 degrees outside.
Yeah.
There's something that seems to be percolating that's not very pleasant.
Oh, well, that happens. I love this whole setup here.
Yeah. It's like you can have a nice conversation.
Yes.
You know.
Because I want to see how comfy these chairs are. Hi, Peanut. Hi.
Peanut's got issues. He's been chewing his foot.
Aw.
So if you really want to see how comfortable they are, once you sit, you have to pull the lever.
This is nice. I love
Yeah, I
this
like this
home.
cross. You could sit,
Was it-
talk, and have a conversation. You're not doing this.
Yeah.
Was it already like this when they bought it?
Uh-huh.
I love it.
Yeah.
It feels like home.
Yeah.
The leather's worn, so we put covers on it, but it's 30 years old.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Is it leather?
No, it is not leather. So
That was
Melanie
not- these are
actually
up here.
took out the original things and they gave them to the Days, and they went and got furniture from just a regular furniture store.
Right.
The
Now-
But the couch is
and these are
original, and that's leather. You know.
So tell us where you got the RV.
We got the RV from Melanetti.
Yeah.
And I don't know, it's kind of like a God thing maybe, because we had seen their coach a few years earlier, and we walked away from meeting them and said, gosh, who would have thought you could afford a Prevost? Like,
Right.
we wouldn't even look at it because that's like way out of our price range. But when you get into an older model, it now comes into our price range.
Sure.
And so, you know, the time goes by, and then we meet Melanetti again, and they tell us that they're getting off the road, and they're, you know, getting off the road basically.
Right.
And so then he and I went home, and I said, what if you had a do-over? Like, what if you could buy that from them? So we called them up and said, would you sell it to us? And they said, we didn't tell you, because we weren't telling you so that we could, you know, find a buyer. We just thought we should tell you. And so that was
worked out for you.
That's how it worked out. And so we said, yeah, we happen to have, you know, the money in the bank, so let's do it.
Nice.
So yeah.
I love it. It's so nice. It's just, you walk in, it doesn't feel like an RV, it feels like a home. It's
So-
very much so.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Marathon did the conversion from the factory, but it's a bus coach, basically chassis. So the whole body is stainless steel, even the painted part. There's roll bars because it's made to carry people.
All right.
And things I didn't know about the roll bars. I didn't know even the frame is stainless steel. So a lot of the bus conversions don't last. They say Prevost basically lasts forever.
Yeah. So this could almost, you put a flux capacitor in this.
Yes.
And take it to 87 miles an hour.
Wow. I love
The way I see it, if you're gonna build a time machine into a car, why not do it with some style? Besides, the stainless steel construction made the flux dispersal.
Yeah. All the stainless steel.
And gosh, we had not intended to sell our other rig because we had just put in solar. He just did a major modification to it. And I remember sitting there looking at our, when we finished making this cabinet and moved all the, I said, okay, we are never getting rid of this. Like, we have done way too much.
Yeah, this
and
is
then only
nice.
2 weeks later.
Yeah.
like,
This is really nice though. Now, what did you have before?
we had a Super C, a Renegade Valencia.
Oh,
Wow.
okay, that's not your run-of-the-mill Super C. The Renegades are nice. I've seen those.
You have donuts. Oh, look at your little coffee area here. I love it.
Is that a Berkey?
Yep.
It is.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. So, yeah, so you got, you know, pantry stuff.
They're deep.
And then when you close the door, you know, and it separates. This is bathroom stuff. Over here, you know.
Wow.
Yeah. And then we have closets. So it's really outfitted to where you could have a wash, you know, a dryer combo. I mean, a dryer and separate, but that's closet for us. And then this is a combination.
Yeah, nice. You like those?
I'm getting used to it. It's not bad. I'm thinking that if we do laundry at night and it dries, and then it's ready in the morning.
Oh, yeah.
So I did that twice in a row. And this
How
might
long
be
have
our
you had this already?
just a month.
Oh,
maybe 6 weeks.
Oh, yeah. Very nice.
Yeah. So bathroom area. The shower, you can actually, it's big enough to where you can squeegee it and not hit your butt.
This is nice.
It is nice.
I know they probably hated getting rid of it, didn't
Yeah, but you know, it's their season. You know, everybody has a different season.
they? Right.
So,
Very nice.
bedroom. So you got the closets back there. We chose to put our office stuff back there and then do closet stuff here.
Oh, yeah.
And then I like this here. This door will actually close to where you have a closed private room if you want to.
Yeah.
And then this is like a coat closet behind here. So, yeah, and can walk all around the bed. And manage to stow everything to where I can actually walk around the bed.
Oh, yeah. And you get all your drawers over there open?
Yeah.
Lots of mirrors. Mirror over the bed.
Yeah.
Throw back to 30 years
It's
ago.
the 90s thing. But anyway, there's storage under the
Well, at
bed.
least you know what you look like when you wake up in the morning. Okay. Yeah, do I have to see that every morning?
Yeah. It's interesting the way the mirrors are lined up. I can't see my head, but I can see my feet. So like,
Just go ahead and groom yourself while you're
I
in.
love the wood.
I love
Isn't
the
that
wood
pretty?
too. It's so
Yeah.
pretty, yes.
yeah, very nice.
Very nice place.
So Marathon, they're you call them up and tell them you got coach 0841, and they can tell you everything about the coach. The wood, they still stock all the wood they've ever used. So if you need more wood, they can give you more wood. They can tell you where every wire is labeled. They can tell you where it runs because every coach is different.
Yeah, I love it.
But I like setup and tear down is so easy now without slides.
Oh, yeah, but so.
I don't hit my head anymore. I can open up all the storage bays.
We have
It's
a
just
son
easy.
who is 6'9".
Yeah.
He
Oh,
will be
wow.
able to walk in here.
Yeah, I mean, I'm
I like
6'2",
that.
and there's plenty of height in here for me.
Yeah.
And you know, at 6'2".
Gosh, I'm 6'2" as well, but
Those
I
are the
might,
originals.
maybe I'm shrinking. You look a little taller than me.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe. No, I'm pretty sure I'm just 6'2".
And the wine was already here, and
You-
you guys drink wine.
We do drink wine, and Mel and Eddie had the wine rack removed, and they asked if we wanted it, you know, replaced, and we said, yeah, put it back in. But they used it for their liquor, you know, so it was upright, so they had that. But you know, we
Very
may
nice.
change in the future, but right now we like the way it's set up.
It's
so
very
nice.
beautiful. It's
It's a
nice.
nice place. It
And-
really
and-
is.
The guys, we all like the mechanics. You don't have all the worry of the slides failing.
Everything's
Yeah, I saw
center.
that. Yeah, right,
Oh,
right.
yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. And it's probably very comfortable to drive.
Oh, gosh.
Yeah. That's one thing I have to say about the
Yeah.
truck and the fifth wheel
And it's nice that
combo
that's
is like, you know,
you have a home.
Yeah, this
Get a
thing
lot of
is a Cadillac.
Yeah.
Really.
Thank you very
It's
much
like
for the walkthrough.
45,000 pounds, and it's all air ride.
Yeah.
It's just, yeah, it's
Yeah,
just
floats.